Hey, this is Mick Holly from TBM Consulting. We've been working in manufacturing companies for over 35 years, and we always see unbridled opportunity in operations. And what I'm going to talk about today on this very, very short video are five areas that we commonly find some opportunity probably exists in your business, and we can come and spend some time and take a look at those if you like. But you might want to stay to the end on the downtime one because I've got a good story about that one. So the first one is waste or scrap. This is a beautiful story. I was working with one major manufacturer, a multi-billion-dollar manufacturer, and they had this beautiful production facility. And at the end of their production line, they were churning out, a lot of waste product, cut ends that were being thrown into a bin. Now, instead of calling it waste, they called it recycle. And so they thought it was a good thing. So they actually stopped seeing the waste. And then what they were doing is we were taking that recycled material, I would call it scrap, and reintroducing it back into the product, which was causing a slight deterioration in the blend and changed some of the material characteristics of the product that we're making. And they had a team of people who spent forever trying to optimize the amount of recycle they could put back into the product instead of looking at what was creating the waste and the scrap in the first place, so they wouldn't have to keep wasting it. It was quite bizarre. So you may have people who don't quite see the waste; they think it's an acceptable level. But a little bit of waste, a little bit of scrap elimination can get you millions and millions of dollars. So that's a big one. The second thing is changeovers. You see, I haven't spelled changeovers correctly there. And often these may be invisible. All right, this is a picture of a major changeover to do with cleaning cycles. We see that quite often. But sometimes there are micro stoppages that just stop here and there. You don't actually see it, but over time, those micro stoppages can really, really add up to, a huge amount of lost capacity. So we like to look at how the machines flow. We want to understand what was your best day for this machine and how is it running today. If you've got those metrics and you've got people looking at that, you can start to tackle those losses that come from changeovers. Inventory. Is usually a major symptom of something else, probably poor planning. But look, this is a factory we went into recently where, they had good flow on some lines. They were producing quite complex parts that had many, many components to them. But these parts were being kitted and put on the line. So there were mountains and mountains of kits. They actually had over 100 people who were involved in kitting. They're just moving this inventory around and they're missing one or two critical parts so that those products can't be fully completed and released and sent on to the customer. And the root cause of that was that their planning and their supply chain was not working very, very effectively, and they're compensating to try and get product out, and that inventory is tying up a lot of cash as well as eroding their overall profitability. Rework's always a big one that we find. I was in a car plant once, major facility, hundreds of vehicles being produced today, and the team, big large team, would celebrate the fact that they made their production target in terms of numbers of vehicles that were produced that day. But as I walked round to the back of the factory, there's this long line called the rework factory, where because in their haste to produce, they missed certain things. And so all of that rework was eroding once again the capacity that they had paid for. How much rework is going on in your business? Do you know? Have you calculated it? We can find that out for you. And then this is my particular favorite. I call it talk to the hand. And this is my representation of downtime. This was a plastic extrusion factory, and you can see this machine. This line was down very, very often, and when it was down, the red light on top of the machine would flash to alert the operator and the supervisor that there was a problem in need of intervention. But it happened so frequently, they stuck a glove on top of it, and you could actually see this red glove pulsating, and nobody was really tackling the root cause of that downtime, and it just repeated. You've already paid for that production. You've already paid for that machine and that asset and those hours. And if it's down, you're just not getting the value of it. So what we'll do is we'll come and look at what those root causes of the downtime are. Um, so so, our message is your margin is out there on the floor, right? Most manufacturers, it's not about price if you want to increase your profitability. It's visibility around where the opportunities exist. Can people see it? Because people can't see it, nobody's working on it. So what we'll do is we'll come into your organization, shine a lens and tell you, hey, you ought to be looking at some of these things. And you've got great people. And once they see some things, then they want to take some action and we can give them some good tools. So if you want to have a conversation, quick conversation, 30 minutes to talk about your business, where the opportunity might exist, I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. Later on in this, below this video is a link to my calendar. Let's have a chat and find the margin on your floor.